So if you go ahead and type in like a title, a little short description of your video, and some keywords here, this will help the search engines again, which is never a bad thing to help keep the search engines happy. The last thing that you need to do is we need to upload a thumbnail. You can see some thumbnails here. It's the little picture that's inside this white box, and then you have the play button on top of it. This is kind of nice. It kind of gives the viewers an idea of what the video might look like in some form or fashion, along with the words underneath it. Encourage them to click on it. If you do not put a thumbnail there, that's your choice, but it will be just a blank white square. It's not going to have the impact as if you put a little thumbnail. How I create my thumbnails is I go ahead and go over to the YouTube channel where the picture is itself, and I may go ahead and just pause it at one point along the way. Since this is talking about the gravitars, I wanted to pause it at a spot that had pictures of gravitars. And then since I have Jing, then I can go ahead and pull Jing down and get a image that I can upload into the website. When I click on Jing and it does a screen capture of whatever part of my screen that I want a picture of, it actually uploads that to my website. I mean, not my website, but to my computer, and then I can find the file and I can browse for it. A lot of them I put pictures, and then you can, this is a different one, I'm just using this for an example, and then you can go there and then you can upload it into the post. Just update post and it will show up in a minute. Last thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and save your post. You can save it as a draft. If you're the editor for your channel, you go ahead and publish it. You can publish it immediately if you wish by hitting the publish button, or you can change the publish date and to what date you want it to go, so you can time the post so they're not all coming at the same time. Here you can edit the publish date if you don't want to be published immediately. If you want it to be published like on the July 24th, the day of the launch, that would be good. It'd be good. I'd like to have at least one video in every category in that way. A couple in each category would be good. And maybe once they come after that, you can give it a later date to show up the next week. And if you have any more questions, just go ahead and comment in this post and enjoy and have fun with this.